Hejsan hejsan! Today we will go over the letter I. So, the letter I has a long sound and a short sound. The long one, I. And the short one, I. The short one is in the word titta, itta, titta. And the long one is, for example, in the word fin, fin, en fin hund. With short, I become a little tense, as you can see, I. A little tense, and my tongue, it's very close to my teeth. If these are my teeth, the tongue is touching behind they're actually touching, but they can just be very much in the front. It doesn't necessarily have to touch. I. But when I do the long I, you can see I, it's like I'm super happy. I. I. It's like I cannot produce the long I. I kind of need to do I. And of course I'm over exaggerating in this and the other videos a little bit, but it's, to show for clarity. I. And the tongue has the same position. It's right behind the teeth or touching the lower teeth. I. And let's show them side by side. I. 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 And then alternating. I. 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 Some examples with the short I. Hiss. Is. I. Is. Hiss. Sitt.
Sitt! Ja, duktig. Varsågod.
I. It. Sitt. Sitt. Inte. Very common word. Inte. Te. Inte. 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 Illa. La. Illa. Illa. I. Illa. And then some examples with the long I. Bil. L. Il. B. Il. Bil. Tisdag. Tisdag. G. Ag. Dag. Stag. Isdag. Isdag. Tisdag. Vit. It. It. Vit. I had one word which consisted of both of them. Ivrig. 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 G. Ig. Short one. Ig. Rigg. Vrigg. Ivrig. Ivrig. And one thing to look out for here is if it's I followed by an L, because I've noticed not all my students, but some students find this particular combination hard. Like the word bil, car, for example, and just doesn't get it correct. But then when we do other I words or other I sounds, it's fine, it works very well. But just when it's I and L, bil, illa, ilska, just that combination seems to be very hard. So just be a little careful with that. Like try to think, am I one of those that need to practice an extra bit on those words in particular? Because it can be that you actually know how to pronounce it, but just that combination is hard for you. The best thing is to record yourself and listen, and then you can listen to me say it. Does it sound the same? But the best thing is, of course, if you can go outside, grab a random Swede, like, you help me now. No, but the absolutely best way to practice pronunciation is having a native person listen to you. So, you know, that's one thing I do in my lessons. You know, I sit here and then, bil. And then the student repeats. Bil? Nej, bil, il. Bil. It's like, okay, it's better. And then maybe they say, Bill. It's like, no, now you lost it, Try again. Il, smile, bil. And then bil. It's like, yeah, that's super good. And that's the best way. That's going to be the best and most effective way for you to get the correct pronunciation. And yes, it can be scary speaking with a native, but hopefully you have someone you know, maybe a colleague or something like that, because that's what's going to help you the most. Yeah, I hope this helped, and if you want help with other pronunciations, check out my different pronunciation videos, and I will see you there. Awesome. Hej då!